Hey guys, I just hopped out the shower and this is what we're looking at. I towel dried my hair and today I'm gonna do a twist out. I'll be using my Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I've been using this for 6 years and I know that in recent months people have had issue with the company or the product, but I personally, just my own personal choice, I love the product. If you're interested in seeing my results, stick around. But if not, hey, maybe I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching! So I'm going to start out by detangling my hair. I put some of the product in and then I brush my hair until it's silky smooth. Then I start plaiting it in big old fat chunks. And the reason why I do these big old fat chunks is because flat twisting the back of my head without being able to see is quite difficult for me. So this helps me out a lot. And hopefully for those of you that are like me and don't know how to flat twist the back, this may help you out when you do your own hair. Now if you take a look, I am braiding the roots first and then I'm going to turn it into a twist. The reason why I braid first then twist is because the braid at the roots stretches out my roots so that it doesn't get a whole bunch of shrinkage when it's dry. And then the twisting at the end causes my curls to have this natural S shape when I do unravel them. So now that I'm done with the back, I am going to go ahead and flat twist the front since it's more easy for me to flat twist that area. Right here I'm just showing you to choose either a middle part or a side part depending on your preference. For me here, I was struggling with parting because I can't see, so I had a trusty friend that was around to help me out. Thanks, Brent. By the way, this was his first time. He did a pretty good job. Look it. I think that's great. And now that that's done, I'm going to flat twist the sides down and then flat twist the front down. And hey, I am a pioneer for sloppy partings and sloppy plaits and twists. I don't care, and neither should you, because when you unravel, it's all gonna be a big fluff anyway. So if your stuff looks like mine, it's okay. You know, don't stress yourself out. It does not have to be perfect parting, guys. That was my homemade sound effect for healthy curls. Then I'm just finishing up my last little flat twist in the front here. Oh, and please remember to put all of your flat twists go in the proper direction. Like, don't mix and match the directions. If you're going backwards with your flat twists, go backwards. If you're going forwards, go forwards with all of them. That really helps with the neatness of your look. And this is everything when I'm all done, guys. All that's left to do is put my little bonnet on and go to sleep. Alright, so this is the next day, roughly about 18 hours later. Not the myth of overnight sleeping 8 hours. Don't believe me? This is me driving home from work. I went to work looking like Raven's mom. You know, That's So Raven's mom? Yeah. So, this is me driving home. Had plenty of time to dry. Anywho, back to the tutorial. We're going to unravel our hair, nice and neat, you know, try not to mess up your curls. Right here, I was just kind of going through the sections, trying to make sure everybody gets, you know, split up nice and neat. Remember to be gentle while you're taking out your hair. You don't want to lose all your awesome curls so early on. Okay, so quick note, the product is sticky. It'll get on your fingers and make your hands all clammy. But, hey, I don't care. So I'm gonna go ahead and fluff out my hair with my comb. Because I don't have a pick, I wasn't gonna run to the store and get a pick for this vid. I mean, I just wasn't gonna. But just fluff it out with your fingers if you don't have a pick. You know, try to separate the curls the best you can. And I'm just swinging it from side to side, you know. Gotta let it go, let it go. And then eventually your hair will just fluff out and look like this, hopefully. And sadly, because I went finger crazy, I did separate some of my curls too much, so they looked a little puffy, but I can live with it. See how my edges are hanging out right now? Yes, I can live with my edges like this. This is how my edges are most of the time. However, I do like when they're slicked down. I know some people don't like slicked edges, but I do sometimes. Sometimes I'll wear them rough, sometimes I'll wear them a little slick, no problem. So, you know, I do my little scarf thing And boom, we got some cute looking cute looking edges, okay? I'm just gonna give you guys a close-up of my curly roots. It's just crazy how the front of my hair has like a really tight curl pattern and the back kind of gets a little fuzzier, but it's just because I have so many different texture hair across my entire scalp. It's crazy. But right here I'm just putting my hair up into a nice ponytail slash bang updo thing, because this is one of my looks just throughout the week. If I wanted to, you know, stop wearing my hair out in a big puff, I can wear it up in a little pony. Just to give you guys a little couple ideas. You could change your scarf up and that makes it look like a totally different look, even though it's the exact same look. I'm in my kitchen because it's really good lighting. But I just wanted to show you my little curlies poppin'. I need to stop using my hands. Like, I really need to just stop touching my hair, but like, it's so soft and like pretty. I just want to keep touching it because you know how we get with our hair, right? Like, I think I'm gonna take this back down. Whew, just to see too. Oh, look at you, girl, you poppin'. Oh. Oh. I could probably do another hairstyle for real. Hang on. Hang on. This is the second style I tried. So all I did was just put a little bit of my hair in the middle up in a little bun. Well, not a bun, a pony. Like a high pony in the middle. So yeah. This is something you could try if your hair is kind of like mine. I do throw these videos up here for you guys to try this stuff. So please give it a try. Hopefully I showcased that it was sort of kind of simple, right? Because if you can't do a flat twist, just do the plait to twist all the way around your head. Because some people can't flat twist, you know? So I kind of wanted to show you guys two different things. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed watching the video and I really hope you learned something. And believe in yourself. Definitely give it a try. And when you do, be proud of what you make. Alright guys, I will see you later, dear. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you in my next video.